Hello everyone. Today the same topic that I will cover previous video that I SQL developer related. So today I will share some most important topic that is so important. So let's start from the so here you can see this is the main important thing is you're getting started for Apple SQL developer. Okay. So in previous video, I shared a lot of topic related with like how can you write a query in SQL and what is the command and what is the process and some things that operators related. I shared already. Let's begin on the next topic is SQL. So this is the definition of the SQL. So each only using specific column and name, simple and short data using where and auto support built-in aggregation and table relationship using Python and join. First person is a clause. Is a clause that fetching the data from your database from where whatever is the same order like miscellaneous order like miscellaneous. Support groups aggregation. Support grouping is a group by and having always follow the group. So, okay. So what is the difference between where and having this? Where clause is not what is the aggregation function. Aggregation function is like average, count, maximum, minimum. So these are aggregation functions. So you can simply apply on your aggregation function. Instead of join join in coming videos, I will simply share a vast amount of information on the join especially. That way you will understand. Second is the like filter data based on specific conditions. It is used in sort, update, and delete statement. These are from way from like so from writing the query, any query. Okay, so that is the from. So below these lines related to this from. Filter data based on a specific condition. It is used with select and delete statements. It works with comparison and logic operators. Okay, so this is very fundamental thing that you can easily understand. Some operators, some operators is your this is the greater than operator, less greater than or equal to less, less than equal to not equal between operator, like operator, and in operator. These are operators where we are using inside the where case. Okay, so let me explain briefly about it. So, firstly, I will search SQL element function in the SQL online compiler. Okay, so this is the unknown thing. Uh, if there is any table, okay, so on that list, you can just like I have employee table. So firstly, what I do, I create the table. It means create table employee. That is the employee number. in int, otherwise in number. So employee number is unique, so I will use primary key. This is the primary key, and it is in int format. Second, I just take employee employee name. The same that is where I can choose. Like, according that you can give 20 and whatever. These are the data like data types. Varchar is a variable data type that is not fixed. During the compilation, we can see that also. So this is the importance of it. Second, employer address. Okay. So employer address is again Varchar. Somebody will run. Okay. These are the data. What you close this, if you run it, this I think this is not working. I will use another SQL ID. It is not working actually. So I will use here. Select start from demo. So there is some tables. If I run it, thing runs. Here I can create a table. I can create table employee. And I can say employee number is in number. It's not inst. Yes, non employee name is where when if I run it. This is I got the output. Okay. This will create a data as like you can see. After that, you can insert the data inside of it. Insert into employee number, comma, employee name, values, values, employee name is time or employee name is job. So we can insert. So this is the thing. I'm not executing it. table right now. I'm just creating the format so that you can understand. So this is the syntax for creating the table, and this is the syntax for inserting the table data inside the table. Okay, this is my motto for this. After that, I will go here. This is my operators. For example, select operator I use. What is the important selector? For example, I created this table and I inserted this table. Select means select and selecting start from employee table. Okay, so this is the select statement. If I apply their condition, select start from where what employee number employee number is equal to 10. So I will fetch the data, all data is related to the number 10, like name, if I also give the address here, pin code, number, contact number, anything that I have fetched here. So this is the importance. The that I will give these things it's moving greater than equal to less than equal to less than these are the operators. How you will use it? You will use it like employee ID. If I mention your employee ID is 20, for example 20, that will be like greater than 20 or less than 20 or not equal to 20, like not equal to 10. You can say between operators it will be working as like if I give like select star from employee. Okay, where for example date 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 is between for example any higher date is between any date like 03, 02, 04, 2028 and same thing 09, 010, 2020, anything that you can give here. This is the between and operator. Same like operator for searching the pattern. So these things I will share in further videos. So you will see after it. Now I'm sharing further SQL delete statement. SQL delete statement is remove the rows based on the conditions. A constraint and access. And delete a single row of rows. This is delete the single row. Delete from employees where name controls. Delete all reports from table. Delete from employees directly. Then SQL insert statement. Insert I already share with you like how you insert in this video like single row. If you want to add multiple, so how you do this? You will do as like these are multiple creating student table and after that something okay, this is the formula. Last but not the least, inserting data from one table to in another table, which is insert into table name. So this is the multiple row column. This is the data from one table to another table. Example like insert target table and then shows table. Same thing is like inserting the data of one column to another column. These are the very simplest questions. I hope you got the point. Um, I should share detailed. Today I'm not one, so I'll just share very easy concept.